So isang tanong pa, ano lang, what keeps you motivated? Ano yung motivation niyo to
Okay.
continuously do the
To be
startup?
honest, no, ako, I'm older than most founders. Ako, I have a patriotic parang in me, no, spirit in me, because it's about time that we built our own technologies
Yes,
and we
agree.
are not dependent sa mga neighbors natin for our
Yes.
technology, especially with hardware, no?
Yes.
Sabi nga nila, it's hard to build a startup like yours kasi sa umpisa lang ng pangalan, hardware, di ba? But really, you cannot solve all the problems by just software. And especially in the advent of AI, you can now embody AI in these small devices where yung intelligence is local na, no? And you do not have to depend on connectivity to the cloud. You can localize the decision making against the devices. That saves you 90% of your bandwidth and provides you the capability of inference right there and then. So, what motivates me is that AI has become a enabling factor for small startups like us. No? Whereas, siguro kung wala siguro yung AI, you would say, syempre, mas nauna yung China sa atin sa pag-develop ng hardware, mas magaling sila. Pero ngayon, we can amplify the functionalities of our systems because of that. So yun, keeps me motivated is that Filipino startups, have a chance. And I hope to be able to lead the way so that others will follow as well.
Yeah, tsaka ang amazing Sir Norman ng mga Filipino startups na kumbaga nagpa-pioneer din ng paggawa ng sarili nating hardware. So
Yes.
really kudos sa inyong ginagawa, Sir Norman. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you then.
Thank you sa what keeps you motivated to do the startup despite the challenges.
Um, for us kasi, since our startup is impact driven, and it's also a personal story for me kasi my sister has autism and she is really the inspiration for our startup. And she really showed positive improvement with Pikatalk. So we really want to share that kind of improvement with other children that are facing the same struggles as her. And other than that, of course, yung support that we've gotten, not just from our friends and family, but even from the startup community and even internationally, it really drives us to keep going because it shows that we have potential. It shows that malaki talaga yung impact that we are really creating in the lives of people with speech and language disabilities.
Nakakayak naman yan.
Kaya ka na. Sige, example.
Despite those challenges, what keeps you motivated being a startup founder and continuously developing and building Cerebro?
Ah, ang una kong sinasabi lagi diyan is kailangan mong magutom. Kasi 'pag nagutom ka, meron kang mga challenges kailangan mong pag-igihin 'no, especially me. When I started Cerebro, I left my full-time job to focus on this 'no, to focus on the solution that we're building. And siyempre hindi naman sa lahat ng pagkakataon, your startup is flying high, 'di ba? Now, pagka dumarating tayo sa mga low moments, mas mamo-motivate ka to work hard for your startup. Pero kidding aside 'no, bukod doon,
That's true, that's true. I have yeah.
totoo 'no, bukod doon kasi, kapag nakikita ko at nagsasabi yung mga teachers sa akin na ngayon less na yung ginagawa nilang trabaho because of Cerebro, so namo-motivate ako to pursue what they're doing.
Pero sinabi mo 'no, I mean naisip ko rin siya, eh, kaya
Oo.
now although may part-time pa rin ako, I mean may part-time work pa rin ako, parang 'pag talagang pinut mo into kumbaga medyo desperation nga yung term
Oo.
din, eh, na mas mo-motivate ka na kumbaga kung ito lang yung choice mo,
Oo.
mas ma-motivate ka i-build pa yung startup 'no, mas
Yes.
gawin siyang profitable and mas gawin siyang maganda yung product and
Oo.
and all. What keeps you motivated as a startup founder?
For us, uh, we're one of the very fortunate researchers in the Philippines that receive funding coming from the government. And we believe it's really the people's money. So us every day, we're very motivated to really ensure that when we receive that trust coming from the Filipino people, we can really give value back to them through the startup that we have.
What keeps you motivated in your startup journey?
Okay. Grabe yung ano. So for me kasi, and even with the team, we have, aside from the North Shore metric that happened, which is success for us, I think for me as someone who's working on this project, it's really that idea that being able to provide my team was able to provide opportunities not just to talent, no, but also to your recruiters. So now we're able to provide uh another income for other people.
Jobs. Yeah.
Jobs, syempre may jobs better for us. So
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
at mga bounties,
Yeah.
bounties ranging from $20 to $500. So in that sense, we're giving more avenue for people to be able to earn. So
Mm,
you're not just helping yourself when you refer, but you also gave a job. So that's the idea. So we also have a lot of initiatives ready for next Saturday. So it's not just that sense, but we also have a career fest that you want to integrate with our initiatives. So at least yun recruiter side, yung core platform. But for talent building naman, we have upskilling and sharing of opportunities with the career fest that will be doing for the next couple of technically next year.
ayan.
Yeah.
What keeps you motivated?
What keeps me motivated is um knowing that I have this um great idea, and I really want to become successful kasi what else will I do if this one will not work out? So I'll have to work on another idea. So what else do I need to do is just focus on that idea.
Basically, you have a great idea and you believe in it.
Yeah,
Siyang may implement lang.
yeah.
Yeah, but despite those challenges, what keeps you motivated?
So yeah, with us, it's one of our goal in presenter is to simplify and also to really help educators, to really help speakers, to really help businesses to simplify presentation on smart media. So it makes us motivating because we really understand the problems of it, and we know also the solutions, how to make it more efficient, how to make it more efficient, and we can see also the opportunity of that. It might not happen this year, but we believe that it will be a thing like the next 2 to 3 months, the next let's say the next 6 months or the next year. So we're excited to be in that position. But of course, right now, the understanding the startup really have to invest on your technology. But the good thing also is we have a means also to validate it right away that, we have an assurance that in the next 6 months to 1 year that, people will use our products and we have more validation for validity.
What keeps you motivated?
So motivated to grow the startup, and actually everything that I do is my personal why, which is to inspire and support others in reaching their potential. So, ayun, so everything that we do in our startup is really geared for making sure that we achieve our why. But other people will also achieve their potential, which is what we do.
Oh, gaganda ng answers ah.